In primetime news this evening, get them out. Michael Lee Chin wants changes so that non-performing permanent secretaries can be fired. And Prime Minister says China is eyeing more investments in Jamaica, this time in the Caymanas Economic Zone. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Janella, we're again talking about insurance companies, but this time, fresh calls for them to ensure the poor can access their services. I'll have details in the business day.
All right, thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to Jermaine for the latest in sports.
Thank you, Herman. Woolmerian, right? Well, I tell you what, Woolmers, they didn't get into the Issa Manning Cup final as Stats beat them in the semifinals, and JC and KC are now 0-0 at Sports Time. We'll have the details when we come back.
I was not expecting that, but
Sad
anyway,
news.
there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what is your reaction to the call by Michael Lee Chin for the law to be changed to allow for the dismissal of non-performing permanent secretaries?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.